Let go is basically a feeling of unburdening oneself. For unburdening oneself, one has to prepare by being more calm and quiet inside. That is a basic preparation. You must be totally relaxed physically because there is no anticipation, because you don't want to be a Buddha overnight. There is no tension. God has not put any sword on any of our neck to be a Buddha overnight. We are going at our own pace. The linear thinking of social reality always comes an obstacle for inward journey. So, letting go is a phenomena which is reflection of one's inner quiet and calm. What you let go of your programs, psychological patterns that are existing in the form of intellect, that are existing in the form of understanding people, that is existing in the form of your own security and certainty of life. All the programs are formed to make oneself more comfortable and secure. So, let go basically depatronize and deprogram and decondition oneself. Apart from the thoughts and its patterns, it also works on the emotional body in the form of letting go of one's fears, guilt, repentance, resentment, the agony, injustice, overpowering others, different elements of emotional body in its trash and garbage will get emptied. So, let go is basically a feeling of unburdening yourself. You feel just grossly, you breathe from head to hara. Bring the breath from head to hara, empty it, exhale it into the hara. Slowly, when you exhale your head into the hara, you are beginning to master the letting go phenomena. Give a try.